What is the largest Antarctic iceberg ever? Have you ever wondered about the massive icebergs that drift through the icy waters of Antarctica? One of the most fascinating is Iceberg B-15, the largest Antarctic iceberg ever recorded. This enormous iceberg calved from the Ross Ice Shelf near Roosevelt Island in March of the year 2000. It measured approximately 295 kilometers in length and 37 kilometers in width. To put that into perspective, its surface area was about 11,000 square kilometers, which is larger than many countries and roughly the size of the island of Jamaica. The formation of Iceberg B-15 was part of a natural cycle of ice shelf calving that happens every 50 to 100 years. After it broke away, Iceberg B-15 did not stay intact for long. Over the years, it gradually fragmented into smaller pieces. One of its largest fragments, known as B-15A, still covered an area of about 6,400 square kilometers. These fragments drifted through the Ross Sea, interacting with other ice formations, which sometimes caused breakage in those structures. In recent years, other large icebergs have also been observed in the Antarctic region. For instance, Iceberg A-76 calved from the Ronne ice shelf and measured around 4,320 square kilometers. At the time of its discovery, it was considered the largest iceberg in the world. Another notable iceberg, A-23A, calved from the Filchner-Ronne ice shelf in 1986. It remained grounded in the Weddell Sea for decades, before eventually moving northward. Iceberg B-15 holds the record for the largest iceberg by area ever documented in Antarctica. Its massive size and the subsequent fragmentation illustrate the dynamic nature of Antarctic ice shelves. These icebergs play a significant role in the polar region's water systems. The calving and drifting of such large icebergs influence ocean circulation and marine ecosystems. They also affect the physical geography of the polar seas, showcasing the interconnectedness of ice, water, and life in these remote areas. Understanding these icebergs helps us appreciate the complexity of our planet's climate and the changes occurring in the polar regions.